Hello friends! Throughout this month on Living Healthy 360, we shall be exploring the world of alternative wellness practices that are beneficial for good health. We shall start this week with aromatherapy. Come along with us. Have you ever pondered how inhaling certain scents can significantly affect your wellness? Welcome to the enthralling universe of aromatherapy, a technique that uses essential oils for health promotion. This age-old practice, rooted in natural modalities, enhances physical, emotional, and mental health. It has been a popular wellness trend for many years. Aromatherapy harnesses plant healing power, utilizing oils extracted from different plant parts including flowers, leaves, seeds, and bark. These essential oils serve as remedies for various health issues and mood enhancement. So come, immerse yourself in the world of aromatherapy, where the simple act of inhaling certain fragrances can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. One of the most significant benefits of aromatherapy is its ability to reduce anxiety and stress. It's a practice that has been used for centuries, harnessing the power of fragrant therapeutic oils to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. These oils, often derived from various herbs and flowers, are known for their potent when used in the right doses. Among these, there are some which stand out for their renowned calming properties. Take lavender, for example. This floral essential oil has a reputation for instigating a calm, soothing effect. Then we have rose oil, an essence that is treasured not just for its delightful aroma, but also for its calming properties. Chamomile, another popular choice, is known for its ability to soothe nerves and reduce anxiety. Using these oils is as easy as adding a few drops to a diffuser or incorporating them into a relaxing bath routine. This simple act can have profound effects, helping to significantly lower stress levels. Just a few drops in a diffuser or a soothing bath can make all the difference, helping you unwind after a long day. Next, aromatherapy can also help improve sleep quality. Have you ever paused to think about why certain fragrances seem to help you drift off? It's not just your imagination or a simple love for the smell. There is actually a scientific reason behind this. Essential oils such as lavender, vetiver, and bergamot contain properties that can stimulate relaxation and sleep. The complex chemical constituents in these oils interact with bodies in a variety of ways. Some oils have a calming effect on the mind, helping to alleviate anxiety and stress, which are common disruptors of sleep. Certain scents can even influence our brainwaves, coaxing them into patterns associated with deep sleep. The beauty of these oils is that they can be easily incorporated into your bedtime routine. A few drops in a diffuser or a gentle massage can do wonders. This connection between scent and sleep is a natural and holistic approach towards establishing a healthy sleep cycle. It's about creating an environment that is not just conducive, but practically invites relaxation and rest. Another remarkable benefit of aromatherapy lies in its potential to boost mood. This age-old practice of using essential oils for healing and relaxation has a myriad of proven benefits, one of which is its remarkable ability to influence our state of mind and emotions. Among the many enchanting fragrances that we can find in the world of essential oils, the citrusy ones like lemon, orange, or grapefruit stand out significantly. These scents are known for their invigorating properties that can stimulate the production of serotonin, a hormone that contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being. This serotonin boost can provide effective antidote to the stress and pressures of daily life. The simple act of inhaling these refreshing, zesty fragrances can almost instantly help to shake off the blues, offering an easy, natural way to uplift your spirits and brighten up your day. Aromatherapy, a practice gaining significant popularity in the world of holistic wellness, surprisingly showcases potential in furnishing pain relief. This ancient technique, which involves the use of essential oils, has been used for centuries to calm, invigorate, and even heal the body. Among the wide array of essential oils, some like eucalyptus, peppermint, and rosemary are particularly noteworthy. Each of these oils holds a unique therapeutic profile. Eucalyptus is known for its invigorating and refreshing properties. Peppermint, on the other hand, has a cooling effect that can soothe sore muscles. Rosemary, with its distinctive aroma, is known for boosting mental activity and relieving respiratory problems. Their combined anti-inflammatory properties have been found to offer relief from various types of pain. From headaches that usually plague the busy modern man muscle pain often experienced by athletes and fitness enthusiasts, to even arthritis, a debilitating condition that inflicts the elderly, these oils prove beneficial. Essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, and rosemary possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate headaches, muscle pain, and even arthritis. Finally, it's worth noting that the beautiful practice of aromatherapy can substantially enhance cognitive performance. Aromatherapy, often overlooked, uses natural plant extracts like essential oils to create a healthier balance in the body. One of the most notable benefits is its impact on cognitive function. Consider, for example, the scent of rosemary. This humble herb, which you may only associate with cooking, has an oil that's been scientifically linked to improved memory and concentration. Researchers suggest that inhaling rosemary oil helps in the absorption of free radicals, chemicals that can damage the brain's functioning. This naturally occurring process thereby works to boost the brain's capabilities, akin to a gentle organic recharge without the jitters of caffeine. It's like a gentle, natural brain boost without the jitters of caffeine. The magic of aromatherapy lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require costly equipment or challenging procedures. A basic diffuser and select essential oils can lead to better health and wellness. Indeed, aromatherapy presents benefits. It can aid in reducing stress, enhancing sleep, uplifting mood, providing pain relief, and improving cognitive performance. The influence of scent is profound, and with the suitable essential oils, you can tap into this power for overall well-being enhancement. So, next you feel stressed, anxious, or just in need of a boost, consider reaching for that essential oil bottle. Aromatherapy might just be the natural soothing solution you've been looking for. As usual, we welcome your opinions on this subject. Kindly share in the comments section your experience with aromatherapy. Thank you and see you next time on Living Healthy 360.